I bought and tested these digital mixers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. If you're looking for budget-friendly options that don't skimp on quality, you've come to the right place. I'll walk you through the top 5 digital mixers that offer excellent value for your money. Product number 1. Yamaha MG10XU. I recently got my hands on the Yamaha MG10XU, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer for my home studio. This 10-input stereo mixer is not just a pretty face, it packs a punch with its USB connectivity and SPX digital effects. The moment I plugged it in, I was greeted with the rich, natural sound that Yamaha is known for. The studio-grade, discrete Class A D preamps deliver fat bass and smooth highs that make any audio source shine. One of the standout features is the 3-band EQ and high-pass filters that provide maximum control over your mix. I often found myself dialing in the perfect sound, eliminating unwanted noise that can plague recordings. The one-knob compressors on each channel simplify the mixing process, offering a livelier sound for guitars, punchier bass lines, and clean vocals, a must for any aspiring musician. While the Yamaha MG10XU has a rugged, impact-resistant chassis, it's still surprisingly lightweight at just 7.72 pounds, which is a huge plus for mobile gigs. However, it does have a bit of a learning curve due to its extensive features, so I recommend checking the user manual to get the most out of this mixer. Pros: studio-grade sound quality, easy-to-use controls, durable design. Product number 2. Pyle Professional 6-channel mixer is the Pyle Professional 6-channel audio mixer, which I found to be incredibly versatile and budget-friendly at just $87.99. From the moment I unboxed it, I was impressed by its compact design and solid build quality. This mixer is perfect for anyone from budding DJs to seasoned performers. One of the most exciting features is the Bluetooth wireless streaming capability. I connected my smartphone without a hitch and streamed music from Spotify right to the mixer. The convenience of not dealing with cables while mixing was a game changer for me, especially during live performances. The USB input also allows you to connect flash drives, adding even more options for your setup. The mixer supports XLR and unbalanced 1/4-inch inputs, and the plus 48V phantom power is a lifesaver for anyone using condenser microphones. I appreciated the LED peak level indicators that ensure you're not pushing the mixer too hard, which can lead to distortion. The 3-band EQ on each channel lets you easily tweak your sound, whether you're mixing vocals or instruments. Pros: Bluetooth streaming for hassle-free mixing, compact and lightweight for portability, easy to use with intuitive controls. Cons: limited advanced features. Some users might prefer more channels. Product number 3. CT80S Audio Mixer. The CT80S Professional Sound System Mixer Board caught my eye next, especially with its price tag of just $86.49. This mixer is a hidden gem that offers an extensive set of features for those on a budget. As soon as I plugged it in, the 8-channel capabilities and the built-in MP3 player made it incredibly easy to use for both recording and live performances. One of the most noticeable aspects is its ultra-thin design, making it easy to transport. Despite its size, it delivers great sound quality. The Bluetooth connectivity is seamless. I was able to connect my devices without any hassle, and the LED display shows the song titles, which is a nice touch for live settings. The 48V phantom power means you can use professional microphones right out of the box, making it versatile for any setup. I also loved the 3 segments of EQ per channel, which allowed me to carve out the sound I wanted without much effort. However, it's important to note that it might require some adjustment to get used to the layout if you're coming from a more traditional mixer. Pros: great sound quality and a small package. Easy Bluetooth connectivity. Affordable price point. Cons: layout might be slightly confusing for beginners, lacks some advanced features. Product number 4. Professional 4-channel DJ Mixer. The professional 4-channel DJ mixer is the next product on my list, priced at an unbelievable $47.49. This mixer is compact yet powerful, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users alike. I was immediately drawn to its Bluetooth capability, which allows for easy and wireless audio transmission right to the mixer. Setting it up was a breeze. I connected my smartphone and was able to stream music for a small get-together without any fuss. The USB audio interface and multiple input options, including XLR and 6.35mm jocks, provide versatility for different audio sources, which I found particularly useful. What really impressed me was the 3-channel equalizer on each channel, which helped me fine-tune the sound to my liking. The mixer is lightweight, making it easily portable, perfect for mobile podcasting or live streaming. However, it's important to note that while it's user-friendly, the limited number of channels may not suffice for larger events. So, pros: extremely affordable for the features offered, lightweight and portable, user-friendly design. Cons: limited channels for bigger setups, might lack some advanced mixing options. So why buy this 4-channel mixer? If you're just starting out and need a reliable, budget-friendly mixer that checks all the boxes for casual use, this is an excellent option to consider. It's a fantastic entry point for anyone looking to dip their Product number 5, 4-channel audio mixer. We have the 4-channel audio mixer priced at $56.99. This mixer caught my attention for its 99-bit DSP effect, which adds a professional touch to your sound. I was eager to see how it handled my music, and I was not disappointed. The mixer is designed with a Bluetooth USB interface, allowing for seamless connections to various devices. The standout feature is undoubtedly the DSP effects, which can enhance vocals and instruments, making everything sound richer and more professional. I experimented with different effects during my recording sessions, and it opened up a whole new world of creativity. The 48V phantom power means I could easily plug in high-quality microphones without worrying about sound quality. However, while it offers great features for the price, I found that the layout can be a bit overwhelming for those who are new to mixing. The controls are packed in, which might require some getting used to. Pros: high-quality DSP effects, affordable and versatile, phantom power for professional mics. Cons: can be confusing for beginners, might feel cramped for some users. Why buy this 4-channel mixer? If you're looking for a budget mixer that doesn't compromise on sound quality and offers creative effects, this is definitely worth a shot. It's a solid choice for anyone wanting to elevate their audio game without spending a fortune. To wrap it up, these budget digital mixers offer fantastic value for anyone looking to dive into audio mixing. Whether you need something for live performances, recording, or just casual use, there's an option here for everyone. Don't hesitate. Pick one that fits your needs and start creating amazing sound today.